Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Vauxhall Vivaro van build, part 6. And should I say, it's finally stopped raining. It's been raining for a week and a half, which has made it incredibly difficult to do any filming or to actually work in the van. Today we're going to be putting down the Karndean flooring that we discussed last time in my last video. It's a 3mm luxury vinyl tile, or so I've been told by my mate. Sounds very posh. It's got a 20-year guarantee in commercial offices, and for residential it's got a lifetime guarantee. It's incredibly abrasion resistant, which is great, ideal for a camper van, as well as it's also stain proof as well. It's got a gold certificate for VOC, for admissions, and there are so many different colours and different ways of actually laying a Karndean flooring. It makes it really interesting and makes it very individual for your van and for my van. So I'm just waiting for my friend to turn up. He's going to be laying the floor today and I'm going to be videoing him. Okay, so this is the first part of the Karndean going down. What glue are we using, Jah?
We're going to use a pressure sensitive, heat resistant glue, and that will enable the getting cold and hot at the same time. It won't matter.
Right, okay, so if the temperature drops in the van, then it's not going to affect the adhesive.
Only put as much as you can get fitted as well, because otherwise the glue will go off too fast for you.
Right, okay. So what you're saying is just do it in sections then?
Yeah, like I have, small sections.
Yeah.
Get it in, you can pull it off, snap your 45s. Don't forget to take your burr off, otherwise it'll never go together.
So this is a master craftsman in action, over 33 years of floor laying. Is it 33?
40.
Is it? No, it's not. It can be.
Yeah, I've worked 40 years now doing this.
How old are you now?
36.
You're not. You're not. Oh, okay.
No, I'm 56 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Wow.
I don't know. So if you add that up, when I started, because I left school at 15, didn't I? So. You lose your way in life. Done that many a time.
I've lost my way in life many a time as well.
I noticed that. That's it.
Is that better than a mallet then?
Man, it's a bit more aggressive, isn't it? It's just like a little tap, that's all you need. So it's now just carrying on now, isn't
That's
it?
it. Yeah, because
so,
the units will go under that.
Right, so we've now done that. Put that in place because we want a nice proper edge on there. So that's that. So that's that. Now we'll do one side in fill, yeah? So
okay. This is the sort of work you get. This is the finished article. Thanks, Jah.
I'm leaving that little boner.
Oh, were you messing about then when you said that was the finished
article?
article?
No, we can have that as a finish. It is a cheaper way of doing it.
Okay.
So you don't have to really worry about it too much.
I thought you'd be impressed with the way that I got the plyboard right up to the arch.
I think it's brilliant.
Thanks, man.
You've obviously done this before in your past life.
This is my second rodeo.
Thanks for the video, by the way.
Oh, okay, yeah. Cheers. I just wanted to take this moment and thank everybody who's currently watching the videos. I wanted to say thank you for all the comments, and it's really encouraging that what I'm doing, you guys are coming back and commenting on that. If you want to comment, please do. I'm open to conversations about any part of the build, and I'll be very happy to help anybody out with dimensions or the way that I actually do my van builds. Like I said, saying that this is only my second one. But yeah, please get in contact. Please press the thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And like I said, I really appreciate your support. Thanks.